In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a constant contact email as a PDF. If you've ever wanted a clean, shareable copy of your email campaign, maybe for team review, record keeping, or to send as an attachment, saving it as a PDF is a simple and reliable option. I'll walk you through the process from inside your browser so you get a PDF that looks the way you expect. First, open the constant contact email you want to save. Head to your campaigns and select the specific email so you're looking at the content you plan to export. Make sure any last minute edits are complete because the PDF will reflect exactly what you see next. Next, preview the email campaign. Use the preview feature to view the email as a recipient would. This gives you the most accurate layout, including images, formatting, and links. If Constant Contact offers desktop and mobile previews, choose the one that best matches your needs. Desktop is often ideal for PDFs, but mobile can be useful if that's how most of your audience reads it. Now open your browser's print option. You can do this from the menu or use a shortcut like Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. Don't worry, we're not actually printing anything. This just opens the print dialog, which includes the option to save as a PDF. In the print dialog, choose Save as PDF as the printer destination. Depending on your browser and operating system, you might see Save as PDF Microsoft Print to PDF or a similar option. Select it so the output will be a file rather than a physical printout. You should immediately see a preview panel update to reflect this choice. Before saving, adjust the page layout if needed. Check orientation. Portrait is common, but landscape might suit wide designs or multi-column layouts. Look for scaling options to ensure the content fits without cutting off edges. And consider enabling background graphics so brand colors and images appear as intended. You can also turn off headers and footers to remove extra page URLs or dates and tweak margins to reduce white space. Use the preview to confirm that all sections of the email appear correctly and that page breaks fall in logical places. Finally, save the PDF file to your computer. Click Save. Choose a clear file name. Pick a folder you'll remember and confirm. Once it's saved, open the PDF to double check the layout and that links are clickable. That's it. Your Constant Contact email is now preserved as a polished PDF you can share, store, or print whenever you need.